blizzard howled outside, turning my street into a white wasteland. Mom and I were snowed in, the fireplace casting flickering shadows on the living room walls. Suddenly, a loud thump came from the backyard. We both jumped. "Probably just a branch falling," Mom said, but her voice didn't sound convinced. I peeked through the frosted window. A figure, tall and cloaked in white, lurched past the fence line, disappearing into the blizzard. That night, I couldn't sleep. Every creak and groan of the old house sent shivers down my spine. The next morning, the blizzard had cleared, revealing something chilling. Footprints, large and uneven, led from our property to the neighbor's house, Mr. Henderson's. Mr. Henderson was an odd one, always kept to himself. Now, a gnawing suspicion coiled in my stomach. I remembered rumors about him, whispers about missing cats, and strange lights in his attic. Later that day, I told Mom my suspicions. She dismissed them, but I couldn't shake the feeling something was wrong. That's when I remembered Dad's old security camera, gathering dust in the attic. With a thrill of fear and excitement, I installed it, aiming it at Mr. Henderson's house. The screen flickered to life, revealing his snowy yard, empty. But as the day wore on, the screen flickered again. There he was, standing at the edge of the woods, a shovel in his hand. He tossed something into the snow, something small and furry. My blood ran cold. I raced to Mom, but before I could show her, the screen went blank. Power outage. The blizzard had returned, fiercer than ever, plunging us back into darkness. I huddled with Mom, terrified. Hours passed. Then a loud bang from the front door. Mom screamed. I saw a dark figure silhouetted against the snow-covered window. Mr. Henderson breaks in, clutching a bloody knife. Mom screams, but he cuts her off with a chilling smile. "No witnesses," he whispers, lunging towards me.